Welcome again to Winnie Styles. Please check out this beautiful short natural haircut that really shows off your natural color in the sharpest way. These are haircuts that adds that few baby lights for dimension, and this haircut you can use some lightweight hair products when styling to keep your strands velvety like to the touch. I love the style because it really works works best if your strands are straight, and it helps ease that transition from the dyed hair to your natural tones. And it's a haircut that really balances very well for round face and those that have over face, because they inject that dose of energy into your look. So you can see how this hairstyle is just long enough to make it feel versatile, and it suits cooler skin tone best and looks especially attractive when you have that edgy haircut. So this is a style that is great when you're going at your old color and really want to blend tones naturally. You can ask your stylist maybe sometimes for those airy layers and the damage repair treatment to keep your hair healthy and shiny. I love this style because it's a low maintenance short natural haircut that is also a wash and go, and you can see how it can really brighten up your whole face in an instant and even soften those fine lines. This is a versatile short natural haircut that will take many years off your age, and you can see how it can suit all face shape. Please guys, watch this video to the end. Let us know your mind, how you feel about the short natural haircut, and don't forget to subscribe, because here in Winnie Styles, short natural hairstyles lives there, and we are here to bring the best of haircuts to you. God bless you.